For us, for Indian Armed Forces, not a high-pressure scenario. We're trained for this event. And of course, when this Pahalgam thing happened on 22nd of April, about 15 days back, I'm sure that machinery was already into place to respond to this thing based on what directions come, at what level of escalatory ladder the response was required to be given. I think we have just given a response at the lowest level as of now, and we possibly will be prepared for other responses in case some sort of a reaction which comes from Pakistan. The calibration tool has been kept at this level so that the selection of targets was terrorist headquarters and the camps, right? People where they were radicalized, they were trained, they were motivated to carry out this thing, and each of the targets which have been selected had some degree of attack which was prosecuted against our country. The Pakistani military has been left out of it. The Pakistani people have been left out of it. The Pakistani infrastructure has been. So it is not exactly a war. It is just that the lowest spectrum, the people who have been perpetuating terror in our country have been hit, right? And the world knows it. Pakistan also knows it. It's a Pakistan stated policy to use terror as a instrument of state, you know. And this comeback by the defense minister of theirs from very high standpoint that we will go to war and we'll do X, Y, Z is a mature step, right? But it is very important for him to not be only a minister of defense who's speaking on behalf of a dictator kind of a person who's ruling the country as of now. They need to look back and just see why this happened, right?